What is up, guys? We're gonna be doing a gun shooting game. Me and Matthew, right there, and we're gonna be doing 3 rounds. Whoever gets shot first is out. All right? Ready? All right, get over there. All right. All right. You ready? Ready? Oh, you can't go down there. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. And ricochet as well. Woo! Alright, we're taking an ammo break. Alright, we'll be back soon. Alright, we're back. Alright, Matthew, you ready? Resuming in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got him! Ricochet!
No.
Did that hit your head?
No, it didn't.
Did it hit you?
No.
It hit the wall and hit you?
Oh, no.
Alright, I went round 1.
No.
Because he got hit in the head. That was obvious. But, alright, round 2 and in a second. Alright, we're back for round 2. Alright, starting in 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. The batteries. Oh, shoot. Oh, I hit his gun. That was lucky. Oh, I hit his gun again! What is this? Did you lose all your bullets? Is your gun working?
No, not shooting.
Oh my word. Alright. We're gonna take a break because his gun isn't shooting for some reason. I think his gun got jammed or something. We'll be right back. Sorry for too many breaks. Alright, we're back. I fixed his gun. Starting in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna ambush him.
No.
Woo! That's how you do it. Let's go. Alright. I win. Alright. Round 3 in just a few seconds. Alright, we're back for round 3. This round counts as 2 points. So if he wins, we go to a 4th round, alright? Starting in 3, 2, 1. I hit you.
Nope.
Got you.
No.
Alright. I win round 3. I win all 3 rounds. Alright? So, that's all for right now, alright? Alright, bye. Thanks for, oh, and I forgot. Check out my sister's YouTube account, Kimberly's Fun Videos, alright? Alright, subscribe and like and subscribe. And if you want more videos, write down in the comments what you think I should do. Alright, bye.